Quick tip, if you are struggling to get your audio levels right, here's how you can fix it fast right inside of DaVinci Resolve. What you want to aim for is this. Get those dialogue levels to be about minus 10 dB. A little more, a little less is okay, but minus 10 dB is where you want those audio levels to be. If it's lower than that, it's going to sound too quiet, and if it's louder than that, there's a chance that you could run into some distortion or make the audio too loud overall. So here's how you fix it. In DaVinci Resolve here, we're in the Edit tab, so make sure you have your mixer open at the top right here. We're going to watch our meters and see where our dialogue is currently. When it comes to your audio, set in your level. So we're around minus 30 dB. We want this to be up around minus 10 dB right here. In order to get there, we can select our clip, open our inspector, and adjust our volume until those levels on the meter come up to about minus 10 dB. Levels is the first and probably the most important thing you're going to do to your audio. Audio setting your levels is the first and... In this case, I boosted my volume to about 22 here, and that seems to work out pretty good. A bonus tip here for you is that you can also come to your clip, select this little white line, and move it up and down, and it's going to do the same thing as the volume slider in the inspector. Another quick way to get your audio levels in the ballpark is to just come to your clip, right-click, and we want to come to Normalize Audio Levels. Now in here there are different options that you can pick. If you have no music, nothing else, you can use the YouTube option if that's where you're uploading to, and hit Normalize. And that's going to automatically set levels for you. I like to use the Sample Peak Program option. I'm going to hit Normalize. Now usually that's going to make it a little bit quieter than I want it to be, so you might need to boost it up a little bit. And a quick note, normalizing is only a volume adjustment. No dynamics, just volume. If you find your dialogue is kind of up and down as far as its levels, you can use the AI Dialogue Leveler built right into DaVinci Resolve in both the free version and Studio. And to use that, all you have to do is select either your clip or your track, come to your inspector, the audio tab, and you have AI Dialogue Leveler. Go ahead and turn that on. And this is going to balance out your dialogue for you. It's going to make things a little bit more consistent, and you can also do a little bit of background noise reduction if you need to. So once it's turned on, you just play through your clip, watch your meters, and try and get around that minus 10 dB. That's it. Quick, simple, and now your dialogue is going to sound a whole lot more professional because you're going to have some good audio levels. My name's Jason. I help you learn DaVinci Resolve, and I help make your audio sound amazing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.